Simon. I sure love dancing. I'm gonna dance the night away.
I love dancing too. Me and dancing are like BFF.
Liar. So, basically, wait! Dang, that sexy fox has a shiv! I think we should follow him. I don't really like danger, and also when I get nervous, I tend to throw up, so I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I mean, to get reinforcements. A bouncer, yeah. Okay, bye. Take some whip!
Oh, Valentine.
Chad, you're a retard.
You can't make fun of him.
Valentine's back!
You can't make fun of the help.
Did you guys just kill that dude?
Well, yeah.
He took some whip! Guys, that's not okay. We don't just kill people. This is America. And
Well, I don't see why not.
there are laws against this type of thing. And also,
Wait, what about
Simon,
Valentine?
not alive! Simon! Back down.
She's not supposed to be alive.
Simon, do you see these knife-wielding hoodlums? No, I don't see anybody. Are you crazy? Okay, bye.
Okay, let's get back to
Enough.
dancing.
I accidentally said. Just put those anywhere.
Clary!
Yes? You were late.
Also, I was thinking of adjectives that describe you earlier. Where'd you go? Claire, come back here.
Sorry, I had an absolute
rhymes
fit.
with adjectives that describe you? Yeah.
One rhymed with
Hounded! Wow, Mom, I didn't realize you had such great rhyming skills, but also, that doesn't work out because I have plans with Simon. So, that can't happen so much.
yeah, no. No. Sit down. We'll talk.
Well, first, I want to talk about, what Luke is doing with those boxes.
I would tell you, but then I have to kill you. We're going to the middle of nowhere until the end of the summer, okay?
You are so not the boss of me.
Ding
I am
dong.
not going.
Ding dong!
Come in! Hi, Mrs. Frey. I've come to collect the love of my life. I mean, Clary. I mean, my regular Clary, who's my BFF, and not the love of my life. I'm gonna go now before I have to go. Bye. Bye, Mom. Hey, Simon, do you see that skanky chick over there that's totally giving you the elevator eyes? Go ask her out. Go talk to her. Something. She's definitely... looks like she needs it.
It wouldn't be entirely fair to any skanky chicks to ask them out because I'm in love with someone else. She has red hair and green eyes and her name rhymes with Mary.
That's really weird because I don't think I know any girls like that. Who is she? Is she from school? What? Maybe it's from your knitting club. Why didn't you tell me about her?
Unrequited love makes me giggle. Let's blow this popsicle stand.
VRB. RB? VRB. Okay, thanks, bye. Except for Skanky Girl, come back.
Mundane, except you aren't. Surprise!
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
That's pretty chill.
Also, I'm going to ask you away to the Institute. Pick up the phone.
You are so not the boss of me. Hello? Go somewhere. Not home.
Bang, crash, clash.
Why? We talked about you not being the boss of me before. I love you. Mom? That's pretty crazy business. Hey, can I borrow your cell phone?
It's a sensor. You won't be able to use it.
I'm gonna steal it anyway. Okay, thanks, bye.
Run, Forrest, run!
Drop dead.
Mom, are you here? Mom? Wait, you're not my mom. You're some creepy demon in my house. Now we have to have an epic battle because that's what shadow hunters and demons do.
Man, I love epics.
I'm gonna smite you with Chase's sensor because I stole it and it must have been fake.
Whoa, that was so chill. I'm a beast. But I'm also gonna...
Well, where am I? Jace? What are you doing here? Yeah, where is here?
Well, you're on the lawn, but you can't stay here. I'm gonna room you up, okay?
What does that do?
It'll make you invisible. Temporarily.
Okay, I do it, I guess.
That was really cool. Oh snap, that was so cool. I'm pretty sure I'm invisible. Oh my goodness. And oh, I'm awake now, so let's get this party started. I was kind of hoping you'd die, you know, because you've been here and it's kind of selfish how infirm you were, taking up a bed for the last 3 days. Please take a shower. You stink. And my name's Isabel. Okay. I'm Clary, and I'm sorry I was ill in your institute and stuff. It's chill. I'm gonna go get Hodge.
Hey, let's have some backstory.
You're not Hodge.
Now that Isabel's told you my parents are dead, let's have some character development. Sound like a good idea?
Word.
Lulz, you're a nerd.
Oh my goodness, how did you know? Are you a psychic?
I knows things. Anyways, hey, they say you killed a demon.
I did. B.S. I don't know. I like her. I think she really did. Bros before hoes, dude. Sorry. And by the way, I ruined her, so I was right. She's not a mundane.
Jace, you get her a room.
You could have killed her!
Hey, please stop frightening Clary.
Clary, let's think of pleasanter things. We could go make out.
Hey.
Or try... No? Or you could call Luke. I actually like that idea. I'll call him right now. Let me borrow your phone. Fine, you already stole my sensor. Ring! Ring!
Hey, Luke? Clary? Come get me.
Sorry, I can't.
Don't call me again. Also, I hate your stupid face. Bye.
Okay, kids, get lost before she turns on the waterworks. I'm gonna ramble on for several minutes reading from this hello chart. Hello is what I mean. Jeez, twisting my words. Is that okay?
Yes.
This man named Valentine was in our base, killing our dudes.
What a loser.
Cut.